Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to grant applications permissions to access our body sensors in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to find this permission menu? We need to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, and here we have Privacy and Permission Manager. In Permission Manager, we have every available permission that our phone can grant. So we are interested in body sensors. As you can see, right now we have one applications allowed to use our body sensors, and not allowed are two other. These are default applications. To grant permission, simply select applications and choose one option, allow while using the app or all the time. Let's use only while the application is in use. And that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.